Hello my friends, welcome to Trading VKS. So today is 25th of February 2022. So unexpected market today rebound. After yesterday big drop, we thought that the drop will continue, but it's a rebound. Is it a trap or is it opportunity? Later we go in and check out. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay, want to open CGS-CIMB account, don't forget to follow my link in Facebook or my website Trading VKS. You can see the link there. There's a form. Just fill in, and this CGS-CIMB reminder will contact you to open an account, help you open an account online. And don't forget my Facebook, facebook.com Trading VKS, twitter.com Trading VKS, and want to buy me coffee, coffee.com, ko-fi.com Trading VKS. Okay, so let's check out the quick introduction before we check out the market. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, so let's check out the market. So KLCI today, big rebound. So this one is a bit unexpected. Okay, I thought that this one, okay, this line no doubt just have some support, but I didn't think that it got this strong a support. Can actually push the KLCI up. But between here and here, I will not play. Between here and here, I will not play. Because we got a lot of resistance over here and 1006, right? So because 1006, right, is an area where the price got rejected many times, 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, so until it can clear 1004, 1006, okay, until it can clear above, show that it can stay above 1006, then I'm not playing. Maybe little bit play, a little bit okay but I'm not fully trusted the market can continue go up. I'm not saying it cannot, it could, okay, but this could be a trap. So I'm not jumping in yet. Okay, I have to see a good market break. Okay, a good market break, then only sustainable, then only I will jump in. Okay, so this one wait and see. Okay, but today looks very strong. Possibly. Okay, got chance to break 1006. Look at this big spike today, around 20 points, I think. Okay, but never mind. We wait for the development and we follow the trend. Okay, so let's check out the market today. Today gainers 606, 606, losers 268, sentiment 69. Okay, volume 1.472, not bad. Change 19.75 points, up 1593. Okay, so this one, look at the market. Morning straight away jump up because US jump up yesterday night. US unexpected, US big gain. So probably due to the maybe possible due to the why so many police cars these 2 days in the morning. Okay, so possible there's a shortage of semiconductor because semiconductor, right? A lot of semiconductor. These are Ukraine actually got is a exporter of some semiconductor material. Okay, so there is a shortage of possible shortage of semiconductor in the market. So there is possible panic. Okay, market panic. Trying to bet on this semiconductor company. Trying to for them to rebound. Okay, and possible another one is markets trying to buy up this oil. Okay, because oil went up quite higher today, and also palm oil commodity. Another one is possible the commodity can drive the market up, but still we have to see the closing. Market morning already go up, starting from now it's slowly dropping. See how far it drop. If evening still holding high, still okay. If evening starting to continue to drop like this one could be just a continue of a dead cat bounce. So I'm not too optimistic yet until it break through. So consumer up 0.97, industry up 1.42, Construction up 0.78, technology up 3.25. That's why technology okay, up quite a lot. Financial up 1.62, property up 0.69, plantation up 0.78, REET drop 0.07, energy drop 1.16, healthcare up 1.52, telecommunication up 1.05, transportation up 1.27. So all rebound. Utility up 0.26. This is a bit unexpected. Okay, look at technology, right? You see technology today, a big spike up. So technology, this one, right? Possible a bigger rebound coming. Okay, because we see divergence over here. Divergence over here, so there is a possible a bigger rebound for this technology. Okay, this time. Okay, because we got support over here, right? Here, see this one. We got very strong support over here. Here, right? This very strong support. So possible technology, is it on the long-term rebound? We're not sure yet, but short-term rebound most likely coming. Okay, so technology for you guys who want to still holding the technology stock this time, really maybe got another chance for you to exit. Okay, so look at these top gainers. Okay, look at top gainers. We got SAM today, not bad, 6.8 volume, not very big, but 6.8 points, quite a lot. Take a look. MPI already talked about it already a few days ago. SOP 9.3% up. So take a look. 9.3%, quite a big volume. GREATECH, take a look. Volume quite big. CGS-CIMB cannot chase already. Went up too far already. Went too far already. Kobe, take a look. MCE Cement, take a look. PCAM, I talked about it yesterday already. MSC, too late to chase. CMB, take a look. Other than that, Palini up again. Okay, Palini, I talked about it already. Genetech, we take a look. Genetech, take a look. Okay, so these are the few we take a look. SAM, SOP GREATECH, MCE, Kobe, Genetech, CMB. So take a look at SAM first. SAM is still sideways. Even though you look at it, we got a possible there's rebound over. There's a rebound over, but this is still very sideways. Very difficult to play. So SAM, because there's a split over here coming. There's a stock split over here coming. So this one is very risky. So this one can rebound a few days, then drop back, big drop. So I'm not very keen to play this. I'm not very keen to play this. First wave, second wave, third wave, not very keen. Until we go through 25, baby. But now I'm not very keen to jump in for this. Maybe 22 sideways, no. I'm not very keen to jump in this. SOP. Oh, SOP fly again. So SOP, actually that day they got a consolidation over here. You sell already, another breakout. Actually, there is an opportunity to chase over here. I didn't follow SOP, but there is an opportunity to chase. But if you're already chasing, then it's okay. If you haven't chasing, then don't chase already, too late already. But I talked about yesterday, I got talk about a few. I got pick a few that can chase. Okay, so yesterday I got pick up a few that can chase. So you want to chase, maybe you want to look at yesterday video. Yesterday video, let me see. Yesterday I got talk about this one. Genting P, HS Plan, SIMB PLT, IOI. These are the one that probably can chase. So look at yesterday video. So I talk about this. So let's see others. GREATECH. So GREATECH finally break rebound. So this one, okay, rebound up. Okay, probably we have another chance to go in. So I mean not to go in, to escape, right? Escape first. Don't think about buying first. I'm not thinking of buying first until it breaks through some major, okay, major pattern. Until it breaks through some major pattern, maybe I want to jump in. Maybe I will pick some bottom here. Add here. Is this one the bottom? If this one could be the bottom, then maybe I will try. Okay, I will try here. Wait another few more days. Maybe I want to come up with a strategy, try to pick some bottom. Is it possible the bottom? There is possible. Okay, there is a possible. There's a bottom here because, as I said, the market is a bit concerned about shortage of semiconductor, right? So this could give this technology stock, semiconductor stock a push lah. MCE cement. MCE cement, a break, a push up, then a quick sell off. This is not very good time to go in. This is not very good time to go in. Doesn't seem like it's very strong. Still very weak. You see we got the downtrend channel. Let me see. It's trying to break above the channel. Okay, it is trying to break through the channel. Maybe this is a channel. Got chance for rebound, but doesn't look like very strong. This one still wait and see. Doesn't look like, because straight away get sold down. So this is not very strong. Wait and see. Market first. Wait and see. We market. Wait and see. Kobe today. Kobe also big spike. Let's see. Take a look at Kobe. Kobe big drop until now. This spike I also cannot do much. It's still dropping very steep drop. So this one possible rebound opportunity to run also. This one MCE also, right? Rebound opportunity to run. More looks like opportunity to run rather than to buy in. Genetech. Genetech at the bottom channel, maybe small rebound here. If you already caught buying high, there's a possible rebound. The rebound, try to any chance to run first. The market is very inconsistent now, so a chance to run first. CMB. CMB, okay, almost pumping up to almost coming to target already. Okay, our top channel 5.7 so continue to hold. Another big push up, take profit. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll talk to you again in the evening. Okay, see you. Stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.